In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to download videos from any WhatsApp status that you view. And it's so easy, even your grandma could do it. All right, so stick around. Let's go. All right, so if you're like my wife that gets the kicks out of viewing a little WhatsApp status and you'd love to save some of the content that you view, especially the videos, then this is for you. So the trick to this is that WhatsApp automatically downloads the videos and content that you view on statuses. So it's just for us to learn how to access it. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So for this, we need no third-party application and no tricks, right? So let's go. And I'm using Android, and this works in a very similar way on an iPhone. So the first thing that you want to do, you want to go inside your file manager, right? And we're going to click these three dots on the top right hand side of our screen and go to our settings. And the trick is to actually turn on this option, which is to show hidden system files. And this will show some of the folders that will allow us to access the status, right? And these are off by default, right? So once we turn this on, then we now can go to our internal storage. So we back out and then we go into our internal storage. And then we're going to look for Android, right? So we're accessing Android. And then we go to media. And then we're going to look for com.whatsapp, right? So com.whatsapp. We click that. Then we see the WhatsApp folder. And then we go to media, right? So these are all the medias related to your WhatsApp application on your phone. And as you can see, grayed out is the status one, right? So if inside this folder, it would have all the statuses that you would have recently viewed. And that's where you would find all the videos that you want to download. So if you so the trick to this now is to just simply go view the status, ensure that you watch the entire video on the person's status or the business page's status, and then give it a few minutes, and then it will appear inside this folder. So if you want quick access to this folder, so let's say you don't want to be navigating through all these layers of folders, all you need to do on Android, you need to long press the folder, which is the statuses folder, right? And then we're going to go to more, and then we just add it to our home screen, right? Hit add. And then if we go to our home screen right here, we can, in one click, bam, we can access that folder and we can access the statuses, the medias from the statuses, right? All right, so just to show you that this stuff actually works, I'm going to be viewing some statuses, right? So I cleared my status folder. So as you can see, there isn't anything inside it, right? So I'm going to jump into WhatsApp, right? And I may need to blur this out, just, out of respect for privacy. So I'm going to just start viewing some statuses. So I am viewing the Stewart greeting status.
For you, we produce all the unique wedding stationery you need.
So the key to this is that you want to ensure that the entire viewing of the status takes place. So you leave it, you watch it, and allow it to run its time. Alright, so this is I guess it'll be free promotion for you, Zelisia. I'll be sharing this video. So Zelisia, she owns Paris Ruby, and colleague of mine, has a brand, bakes cakes, cake mixes, all sorts of good stuff. One of the best tasting fruit cake I've ever gotten or tasted is from this girl right here, Zelisa, owner of Paris Ruby. All right, so that status has been viewed, right? So if I should go back to the folder, bam, as you can see, the folder is now full of viewed statuses, including images, including videos. So this is the video. So I could actually play it. All right, so this stuff works. So if you found this video to be helpful, Please give it a like, please drop a comment, and of course, please subscribe to this channel. On this channel, I share a lot of tips and tricks related to marketing, technology, videos, downloading stuff, strategies, sales, um, so many things. Just everything for the creative entrepreneur. Until next time, peace out and take care.